Okay, this was the case of 20 weeks pregnancy, female, 23 years of age, having bilateral lower limb diffuse edema, and the findings were presence of severe early diastolic notch with normal PI value and RI value, but the diastolic notch is very deep, so this indicates severe uteroplacental insufficiency. Second finding of this, both in right and left uterine artery had almost the same reading. Second finding of this patient is bilateral iliac vein thrombosis. As you can see here, this right iliac vein, there was a thrombosis. You can see this echogenic clots, the internal margin intima of this iliac vein, 6 centimeter of the length, is very hazy. This is anechoic. This is also a little bit hazy, but here there was thrombus formation. Second thing, the IVC, inferior inferior vena cava, venous return was very slow, and IVC return was what we say, decreased venous return. Third thing, there was pericardial effusion over here. This is the mitral valve, and it is just very minorly opening, so the ejection fraction was around 25 to 30 only. This could be also the one of the reason of bilateral pedal edema. Here we can see normally these are the two mitral valves which open very widely. If you know the echo, then these valves, they open very widely, almost touching here in the interventricular septum, but very low ejection fraction was there, and this was the IVC Doppler. IVC was not collapsing on inspiration. Normally the IVC collapses. However, the diameter was almost normal. This is the right common iliac. It is not femoral, but right common iliac, in which there was thrombosis, and this was the wave pattern. This right common femoral vein wave pattern was like this. Okay, so it was finally pregnancy induced hypertension with hypercoagulation state, and patient was in congestive cardiac failure. Hepatic veins were also significantly dilated. If there are no any photos, hepatic veins were dilated, and in IVC, what we say, fine internal echoes were there, and sometimes coarse internal echoes were there. It could be mobile thrombus which are not adhered with the IVC wall, and umbilical Doppler was normal. And another thing positive, yes, I think this much was there.